Hi, I'm Faheem, a dedicated WordPress developer and UI/UX designer. As a WordPress expert, I specialize in creating SEO-friendly, fully responsive websites customized to meet your specific needs. Whether it's a business site, portfolio, blog, real estate, property listing, e-commerce websites, or diving into the exciting worlds of NFTs and crypto. On the other hand, my UI/UX design skills take your digital experience to the next level. Using Figma and XD, I craft eye-catching modern designs for both websites and apps. So whether you are aiming for a powerful online presence through WordPress or seeking a seamless user experience with compelling designs, I have got the expertise for both. If you are looking for a developer plus UI/UX experience all in one, count me in. Let's collaborate and turn your digital vision into a reality. Your success is not just a goal, it's my commitment.